G'day guys, Ian here, and what's your name? Mitchell, and we're here for
Another unboxing.
unboxing video, and today we're going to be unboxing Nerdblog Junior. Remember what we do? And before we start today's video, remember to subscribe and share this video so others can see this great Mitchell's unboxing videos. And of course, who have we got on the table today?
We got Echo and Dusty and Bravo.
Cool! We got Echo, Dusty and Bravo. And we've also got Nerdblog! What do you want to see what the first item is? Drum roll! Okay, sit down. You're an LP. The first item is... What's that? Minecraft thingy. So it looks like a small Minecraft thing. See? See? See?
Let me see what I had. They had the Steven and Minecart.
Yep.
Bone
Sheep.
Horse.
Spider! Oh, spider!
Spider. Armored zombie. A blaze. A gal.
Let's see what's in this one, bud.
And
Daddy has to open it. Daddy has to
there's
open it.
another more.
No, oh, there's more stuff. There's Diamond Minecraft.
There's a Diamond Steve. An Enderman.
Let's open it.
And I have a gas.
Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, ooh, don't need that.
Don't need it now.
And then we've got a
Let's see what character we're going to have.
we don't need that.
This chocolate wax baby queen.
And we have.
The Enderman.
He's got a sword.
Yeah.
Oh, he's scary. Okay, does that one get a thumbs up or thumbs down? You got an up. You got up. You got an up. You got an up.
It's
You got
time
an
to
up.
open the box.
Do you want to open up the box? Okay. Ready for the next thing?
Yeah.
And we have a phone where you can paint your own face on it or something. So we open this one up again. Open this one up, and we got another thing with cardboard in it. And you've got all these little faces. So look, you've got these little faces that you can create the face on him. Little band-aids and pokey tongue.
I will put on the sunglasses.
Sunglasses. And then you've got this funny thing. We open this up.
Daddy, there's a skeleton on the box.
Oh, wait, what would you do with empty boxes? Ow! It got me on the head!
Ow, this
Ow!
I smacked it on the board.
We've got a paintbrush
A paintbrush.
and bucket.
A paintbrush.
And then we've got the funny character there.
Yeah, we got the blue one.
Got the little rubbish bin over there.
It's like Sonic.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay, so does that one get a thumbs up or thumbs down? We've got a thumbs up so far. We've got 2 thumbs up. Okay, the next one.
I want to decorate.
I know this next one is going to get a thumbs up. You know why?
What?
Because it's Transformers, robots in the sky. The mini collector's figurine. Mini Transformer. Which want to see what this one is?
I hope we get up there next time or not.
I don't know.
I have to
open
wait
it.
and see.
Have to open it. It won't open. Oh, here we go. And who do you want it to be?
Optimus Prime.
You want it to be who?
Optimus Prime.
You mean Optimus Prime? And look, it got a little leg thing. You can stand up. Look. That's his back. Optimus Prime. That is cool. That's what you wanted, and you got him. So does this one get a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Oh, we've got all thumbs up. Look at that rubbish. Don't need that. You're going to have to clean that up after.
Daddy, look.
Yeah?
He can stand up.
Cool.
With no leg.
Okay, next thing. We've still got some more things here, yeah? We've got a Hot Wheels Volkswagen Ute. Cool. Want to open that one up too? Come on. And Volkswagen. It's like a Volkswagen Golf Ute.
Daddy?
That's quite cool. You can do
Daddy?
donuts.
Daddy?
Yeah?
I want to decorate my character
We do that after the video.
with sunglasses on it.
Okay. So does that one get? Does the Volkswagen Golf Ute get a thumbs up or thumbs down? It gets a thumbs up as well. Cool. We've only got more rubbish. Okay. Next one. Minions playing cards.
Daddy, this is the next one. I want to chuck it into the wall.
Look at this one.
Daddy,
Look.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I want to chuck that into the wall.
Okay. Hey, copy that. And so what have we got here? We've got really cool minion cards.
A scary minion.
That's a scary one. It's got some, like the Joker's. Joker's the scary one, and you've got an ace, which is one of the funny ones, and you've got another one there, king. Okay, that's really cool. I like. Daddy likes that one.
Daddy,
Does that one get a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up for the minions.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, he's going for a ride in the car. Okay, we've got one more thing. I've got a feeling this one might get a thumbs down.
I don't know.
It's a book. It's a Mr. Clever book. But that's you. You're clever. These are really good books. These are really classic. You got on the back. You got Mr. Tickle, Mr. Tickle, Mr. Greedy, Mr. Happy, Mr. Nosy, Mr. Bump. He always bumps into things.
Hey,
so
am
this-
I with that one?
Yeah, and it's got all the books inside. Nice good storybooks. So does that one get a thumbs up or thumbs down for that cool? It got your thumbs up. You know what that means?
Yeah.
Every single item got a thumbs up in this month's nerd blog. You know what that means? We have to do the nerd blog dance. 'Cause we got all nerd blog dance. Yeah, we got all thumbs up. All got thumbs up. Yeah. We got all the thumbs up. And wait, there's something else. Share nerd blog Junior. Just some kind of advertising rubbish. That's what I'm
It has a Ninja Turtle symbol on
And
the
of
back.
course, at the very end of these videos, the first thing I need to do. Hey, I'm going to do this one. I want to do this
I'll do it.
one. Here you can do it. We'll do it together. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Well, that nearly got you on the head. I'm going to do it better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I think I hit the ceiling. Okay, with that. Okay, we've got all these cool items. Which is your favourite in the whole nerd blog? I think I'm feeling yours will be the Transformer Megatron, isn't it? Not Megatron. Optimus Prime. Is that your favourite? Cool.
What's your favourite?
Mine are the Minion cards. It's my favourite. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye.